In this video, we're going to quickly create a mini GPT based on a custom expert guidance prompt using the free structured prompt notation editor. You can get to the editor at structuredprompt.com, go to Learn Prompting, and select Structured Prompt Notation Editor. And to get started, we'll click on Load Mini GPT Starter Prompt in the side menu. This will preload a pretty complex prompt. This is an expert guidance tutorial prompt. It will lead the user through whatever topic you define, and with whatever expert you determine should lead the topic. So the instructions are here. Replace the type of expert and subject with your own values, basically. So I'm going to highlight this, act as, enter your expert, or enter your type of expert here. I'm just going to highlight that, and I'll say WordPress development, or I'll say WordPress plugin developer. Okay, and then the subject to be taught is over here. Enter your subject to be taught. I'm going to highlight that, and I'll say WordPress plugin development. And that's it. So at this point, I could go and tweak this. You can easily edit anything you need to in this prompt, and you'll get a feel for the way it's structured. It's just almost like an outline with plus signs indicating the depth of level. But let's start with this as is. I'll save and convert, and it converts it into all these different formats, into brackets, JSON, YAML, XML, and then the structured notation. But I can scroll down and kind of preview these. So here's the JSON version, the YAML version, and so on. The one I'm interested in for the mini GPT is the brackets version. I'm just going to go up and copy brackets to clipboard, head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to the Explore screen, create a GPT. I'm not going to use the built-in create. I'm going to go to configure, and I'll call this WordPress Coach, or let's call it WordPress Plugin Coach. And I'll just say expert help with plugin development as the description. And then under instructions, I basically Control V or just paste my instructions into this instructions field, and this is the prompt that we copied using the copy to clipboard button. So that's in there. Conversation starters, I'll just say let's get started. And this is the button that you can click to initiate the conversation or the chat. I don't need any knowledge files. Web browsing, I don't really need that. Image creation, I do not need. Code interpreter, because it's a WordPress plugin developer, that could come in handy, so I'll leave that checked. If I want, I can upload an image. And that's it. So at this point I can save it. I'll say only me for now. And here's our mini GPT. So this is available anytime I log in to ChatGPT, and I'll just click on Let's Get Started, and it kicks in. So here's our development coach, and it'll begin by asking me my experience level. And then from there, it suggests topics, or I can indicate my own topic. It'll also quiz me if I want to. I can type in /test, and it'll ask me one question at a time. And that kind of thing. So that's simple. So it's been under 5 minutes. We build a custom GPT, and if I want to, I can go back and edit it at any point. I can go back to Explore, click on Edit, and if I want to push it out to the public, I can do that, or modify it under the Configure tab. So this is available right now on structuredprompt.com, Learn Prompting, and then Structured Prompt Notation Editor.